So in this video we are going to learn how menu can be designed as well as coding can be written in Visual Basic 6.0. In previous video we just saw how the menu can be designed. So in this video not only we will design a menu in a form, but also we will try to write some coding into it. So let's go back to the Visual Basic editor where we can design a menu. Suppose this is I'm just trying to make the size of the form like this. Now in this form I will design the menu with some shortcuts. So let's go to menu editor. Let's try to design it properly. So first I am creating the menu as color. I am creating the menu as color. So color has, suppose I am keeping the name as MC or MCOL. The name should not be similar. That's why you write M as prefix and take some character from the caption, beginning character, so that you can understand what you have written. So 3 character from caption and menu, that is M, so M call I made, so that never you require index for that. Okay, so now let's specify here, suppose ampersand sign, so that the alt key will work. Okay, next go next. So inside color I want to specify one as back color, fine, and that I am making MBAC, fine. Then next one I am making 4 color, clear. So before making 4 color, inside back color, suppose I want to keep 3 color name. So I have to click it again in this arrow to go inside, to go inner. Then I can specify here some of the background color, that is light color. So I am giving CYA. Next I am keeping one more back color, that is suppose yellow. So I can keep here MYL, fine. So next one more, like suppose white. So I'm keeping here MWHI, fine. So 3 character as I told, so I took. Name is not that much of important, but how you can remember what you have given in name before. So better to take 3 character from the caption and that M for menu, clear. So done. I told about 3, so I kept here 3. You can keep as much as. So if you wish to see how it become, you can check here without running also. You can click here and can check. Okay, the menu as well as the sub menu has been there properly. So now let's do some other things, like going next. If I want to push background color, so it should come to this stage or this part. So you can give the click on the back button to come back, as well as you can specify here 4 color. Back color we gave, now we are giving foreground color. So here I am giving the name as MFAFOR. Inside the 4 color I want to keep 3 color as well. So click inner button, that is right arrow button, and specify here the background color, the foreground color, that is red MRED, then blue MBLU, fine. Then let's make green, suppose, so green MGRE. So what will happen now? The menu will be designed properly, you check. Okay, the menu is coming properly. Now student, suppose we are, the one particular menu is done. Now we want to move to a new menu. Okay, so how can we do that? Going here we can do next, and we can come back to the beginning. We have to come back to the beginning, and here suppose I'm creating one more menu for font. So MFON I made thereafter, and this I can give the ampersand sign, so it will open using open what? Using underscore sign. So next, now inside menu, inside font, I want to specify the different content of it. For example, you say font size, font face, and font style. There are three things. So you can choose here font face. So you can write here face, MFAC, fine. Then we can make suppose say style, MSTY. Then you say size, so we can make MSJSIZ. So done, the menu is done. So this particular thing is not required, we can remove. Now check how it is coming. Fine. So inside for face, suppose we want to specify the face name, style, we want to specify the style, that is bold, italic, underline, sorry, and size, we want to specify some of the size inside. So going to the menu editor, we can specify here face. So as there is no place, we have to insert. So how many face you are taking depends on that. Suppose I'm showing with two face, so here we can specify Arial, MARI. Okay, Arial is done. Then suppose we want to do with impact, so MIMP, impact. Then we want to do for style, so Arial and impact should go inside, so we can press here to keep it inside the face. Then going to style and size, in between we have to insert three style, that is bold, italic, underline. So I can press here arrow and I can specify bold, that is MBOL. Fine. So this is how we can design our content. So next we can specify italic. So this is how we will design italic, underline, and size also same way. So check the font menu has been designed or not as we wish. It is designed. Fine. So let's save our project. Just click here. I'm giving here suppose menu. Fine. Menu example. So menu example, I gave the name here and I save the project under VB98. So just let's keep the name of this project as 10. So the menu gets saved. Okay. So now let's go for the coding. So for writing the coding, we have to click on the individual item. So these are the item. So we have to click on it. But how the like the color and all we can change for background, but foreground how we will see? Foreground is the text color, but nothing on the screen. So whose foreground it will change? So better to take a text box. Take a text box here. Fine. So I am taking a text box. So the content of text box I will change the color of. Fine. So I am just removing the text from here, and there is a multi-line support. I can choose that multi-line support. This is important. All of you check true. So now your text editor is done. So whatever you are writing, if you click here the font and all, it should change. That is what we are going to see. Okay. So in next video I will discuss about the coding of this menu, the menu editor what we have designed.